The shakeout in IT is here. Fortunately, yours truly, over the last 1 year itself, had very, very minuscule positions in any large or mid-size IT company. केवल एक TCS में थोड़े पोजीशन रह गए थे बिकॉज TCS 2 साल से चला ही नहीं था. जहाँ जो स्किप्स चले थे राइट फ्रॉम इन्फी टू टेक महिंद्रा पिछले 2 साल में, I had booked my profits. I was sitting pretty. I didn't have any real triggers why I should again buy IT. It was running at 22 to 24 times profits, which I felt was too high given the AI threat clouds badal on the horizon. Well, भगवान ने मेरी बात रख ली and I did not really suffer in this IT crash, which most mutual funds right from the PPFAS to Kotak, so everybody has totally destroyed wealth by staying invested in IT, and not it's their fault. हालांकि IT was always the default case. जब आपको पता नहीं है, when in doubt, buy IT was the mantra which Indian investors, institutions, everyone has followed for more than 20 years. So nothing wrong in what they did. When you had money, you didn't know where to go. At least these were cash generating cows. So they did what they had to. हालांकि that has now totally corrected. 22-24 P से अभी 16 तक आ गया है PE. Still I would feel IT will stay flat. Nothing will grow this thing. IT, in fact मैं तो जोक करता हूँ कि IT कंपनीज को अभी रियल एस्टेट लैंड बैंक्स की तरह वैल्यू कीजिए. लोग पूछे क्यों, मैं बोला देखिए DCF valuation of cash flows, although cash flows will marginally go down, deflation is guaranteed in IT services. DCF का valuation at नॉन ग्रोथ मल्टीपल्स, जो इंडस्ट्री श्रिंक होने वाली है, हालांकि स्लोली, DCF will return to you a valuation which is half of growth valuations. That being the case, enterprise valuations, you can do the sums, it will be very low. The only kicker which is possible is electronic city से लेके फाइनेंशियल डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैदराबाद तक जो सैकड़ों एकड़ IT कंपनीज को सस्ते में दिए हुए हैं वेरियस स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स में. दैट इज अ किकर which you could possibly value. Otherwise, really, IT is no longer the place to hide when the market is giving you mixed signals. And it's a lesson for people who spent 20 years treating IT as the place to hide. Well, it no longer is.